Hmm?
Cat.
Where'd the cat go?
No.
Where's your cheese?
Okay.
In your mouth. That's where it belongs. Leave it there. Leave it there. Eat another bite of applesauce.
Uh-oh. Videos.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Is that what you said? Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Is that what you said?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiO.
There's that. Is it that? Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Hey, pick up. Kiss it. Kiss it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I sweat me. I sweat. I sweat me.
You're a good eater.
I'm just shoveling it in. God.
It is.
You're not letting her swallow.
She's doing good. She's almost done. I guess this is just what I'm used to. This is the way Eric ate. I couldn't spoon it fast enough.
God. Let the girl take a breath.
All gone. Good girl.
And the apple, Peppa. And the apple.
All gone, huh?
And more.
You want more applesauce?
How about a yogurt?
Okay.
Do you like a yogurt?
You gonna give her your last one or my last one?
I'll go get more. I'll give her yours because mine might make her have diarrhea.
Okay. No, okay.
Would you like a yogurt?
No, okay. I guess more.
Do you want it now or do you want it later?
I want Peppa.
Why don't you have it later?
Okay.
You want yogurt now? Okay.
All right.
Why don't you get one of her bowls and scoop half of it in so she doesn't waste a whole one.